Okay, so 2015 Ford Edge. Want to make this for education for everybody because I couldn't find this on YouTube or Google anywhere. So car started, and then after it ran a little bit, it just shut off, and it had all these codes like oil pressure sensor low, transmission thing. There was all kinds of different stuff. Some of the air conditioning, like the blower wasn't working. It would turn the accessories on, but it would not like try to even start, wouldn't click, wouldn't do anything. There's all kinds of different things that I saw could be the problem. Well, turns out it was that right there, that hot wire going in the fuse box. That's what it was. So what it was is it was a little loose, and tightened it up, and it started just fine. So there you go. Hopefully this helps somebody else out. Maybe you're having the same issue, but check there first so you don't go through all the aggravation I did of Googling and thinking it's this and that. And no, it was just that. So there you go.